Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Aganmi monogrammed leather travel toiletry Dopp kit bag. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, a little, I guess, thank you card, probably. Yep. And then I got an A here for Adam. Actually, I'm probably going to get another one of these different, same company, different size, with an R. But showing this for now, beautifully kind of engraved here, and this thing will spread out and flatten a little bit, just so you know. Excuse me. So as we get this open a little bit, we're going to show you some pockets. Front pocket, and then we'll start unzipping and going through all these. Show you all at once. We got the wet area pocket for lotions, liquids, stuff like that. This one's clear, so for wet that you want to dry. This will be our hook, which just hangs right on the door, and then this is another open area pocket. Inside, you'll see that there's kind of some spaces. I'm doing my best, sorry, to show you without shaking it too much. Three kind of holes for like brushes or toothpaste or whatever you want there. On this side, again, another 3 skinnier kind of holes with spots there. And I believe it's similar on this side, but we'll fill this up and kind of show you what it looks like a little bit hanging once we got some stuff in it. So key components are the beautiful leather, first of all, hangability, and the fact that that actually just kind of tucks right back in here is nice. Should, if I'm doing this right. There we go. And then all this stuff kind of just folds back in to here and then zips up. So we'll hang it, we'll fill it, and let you see what it looks like. But again, beautiful leather, which is, I believe, kind of water resistant, so we'll test that out as well. All right, so as you can see, it hangs on a door, doesn't need a hook or anything like that. A hook would work as well. I can literally just kind of bring this right down and hook it on my door like so. But I want to just kind of walk you through some of what's in this thing, show you how easily it is to kind of store stuff. Toothbrush, I'm actually going to flip these two because this will be in the center and it'll be better. Got some hair care stuff. I actually have tons of space that I haven't even used yet. I'm going to fill this more, but like lots of space in here. And again, all you're going to do is kind of just push this back in. It doesn't even require much to zip up. These will zip, and so let me pause it and zip everything up. All right, so zipped up, very lightweight. It has a carry bag, and makes it simple, easy. So I also wanted to just kind of show you that it is totally fine to get wet, no concerns whatsoever. Pretty standard stuff. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review, I'll give you a little bit better light, has helped you, and to me, definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.